Hey, James, I don't know. No, we're not gonna fight a losing battle. Yeah, we're really busy fighting a losing battle. Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do. So yeah, I took the drone up again. Just found people in the park again, busy bathing. So you see, I'm the one who left that bottle there. I was about to go and then I realized I left my bottle, empty bottle there. So I just went to pick it up. So yeah, there's people in the park again. So now I'm going. I chased them out of the drone, so they ran out of the park when they saw the drone. So I followed him down the Kloofberg all the way down. But yeah, I can't sit here the whole day and watching that thing, fences there. I need to go now. Wife is also complaining. We need to go do some shopping. So I'm gonna leave now. Drone's batteries is on charge. So it's one of those things that I also have responsibilities. So I need to leave. Hopefully those guys won't come back for the next 2-3 hours. So yeah, I'm gonna leave. I need to go do husband responsibilities. Alright, so guys, I'll see you then again during the week. This is now all I can do for the weekend. It's now 9 o'clock. I need to be in town by 10. Where I am now, it's almost an hour's drive. Because of you need to crawl out of here. You can't rush because of the animals and then also the rocky terrains. Alright guys, and then I'll see you later. I'll see if I see something next to the road. I'll quickly stop and make another video. But yeah, for now it is what it is. Cheers.